Hey guys! Do you also want good quality in your edits like this?
She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just like Stephanie. Do I like her? Yes, especially. She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just like Stephanie. Do I like her? Yes, especially. She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just like Stephanie. Do I like her? Yes, especially.
Today I'm gonna show you how to make good quality videos or edits. First, you have to join any dance game. I mainly use TTD3. Now copy what I do. Go to settings and make sure you have graphics mode on manual. And make sure you have the graphics quality on its highest, although it may lag, but trust me, it will make your vid's quality 10x more. Now scroll up and look for maximum frame rate. And make sure it is 240 FPS. So now it should look like this. Now come to CapCut and follow what I do. You can adjust these according to you, but I'm just showing you how to. Like this is very useful to make your edits look like 3D ones. You can use this to make it look like night. I'ma speed it up so you don't get bored. After doing this, all your edit will not only look amazing, but also will look very professional. So guys, that was it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share if you found this video informative. I will meet you in my next video. Bye.